The starter went out on my Dodge W200 pickup truck. In order to replace the starter, first remove the negative battery terminal. Crawl under the vehicle and locate the starter. It's held on by two 5/8 inch bolts, one on the top and one at the bottom. Use a ratchet with a 6-inch extension to remove both of these bolts. Once both of the bolts are removed, pull the starter out of its housing. It will now be attached by two wires. One is the power for the starter and the other to the solenoid. Remove the power cable using a 1/2-inch socket. And also remove the signal wire to the solenoid. I used pliers for this. It can be helpful to spread a little bit of grease onto the gear from the starter. Then go ahead and install the new starter. I found it easier to attach the power and solenoid wires first. Again, use a 1/2-inch socket to tighten up that starter power cable. Once those are tight, insert the starter and line up the bolt holes. There's a small metal clip on the bottom bolt hole. Make sure that gets back in there. And then tighten up those 5/8 inch bolts, top and bottom. Once everything is connected, double check that it's all tight, and then connect the negative battery terminal again. Then hop in the vehicle and give it a try. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Thank you.